Good Sunday morning, guys. So today we're going to talk about what we do on. We don't work on the weekends if possible. We got some weekend work, but most of the time we don't work on the weekends. So Sundays are our days to. It's my day to catch up on rags and cleaning out the van from the week and that kind of thing. So. What I normally do, I come out in the morning early and I'll get the dirty rags, take them in and start separating them, putting them in the wash. I go through here and get all of the garbage. I take the cooler out, empty it out, get it ready. Then there's a generator back there. I'll check the oil and stuff on it. Usually I clean out the shop backs, get the filters all cleaned up, anything that might be left in here. Usually I'll clean out the front. It's usually full of garbage by the end of the week. And man, our seats are nasty. Woo, we need to detail this thing. Yeah, we do. Get my water. It's supposed to be 100 and some degrees this week, a couple days this week, and that is just too hot. Whew, it's gonna be hot. So gotta make arrangements to make sure we got plenty of water and that kind of thing. But back here, I'll usually come back here and I'll get our glass cleaning rags and sort out everything that's in here, kind of clean it up, straighten it up. Like here we've got wrap tools, so when we do decals and stuff, I'll usually take that out because we don't have any decals or designs to put on this week. So I'll also try to fill up bottles, and not bottles. When I say fill up bottles, I fill up the gallon jugs so that we can refill those on the job on site. But make sure batteries are charged up. I got the power ports here, and I plug my battery chargers into the power port. Those run to the side of the van, and I talked about it in my last video. You can check it out up in the corner. Got my power port here, and I plug from the house. I pull my garage cord out, plug it up here, and that charges the batteries overnight. So we get all that. This is pretty much a maintenance day. Just filling up jugs like the Super Clean, Zep if we use Zep. I got snake oil, which is our ceramic coating, and shampoos and stuff. So I'll come in here and get our gallon jugs. See, I've got Super Clean, I got my snake oil. I'll pull them out. I'll take them in here in the garage. And fill everything up over here. This is our fill station. So that's snake oil, Liquid X, Super Clean, and Zep, no rinse. And I'll fill everything up, refill all the jugs, and get them ready for next week, for the following week. I do that most every Sundays. For not working on a Saturday and I got free time, usually I'll do that on Saturday too. But I spend the day washing rags. It takes all day pretty much, and sort them out. But I also use that time to go in, take the GoPros in, get the batteries charged up, edit the video, or download the videos to my computer, put them on a external solid state drive. I take that and hook it up to my iPad, and I sit on the couch and iPad our videos for the week and go ahead and get them uploaded to YouTube, scheduled to release like on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So I'll try to do 3 videos on a Sunday while I'm washing laundry and doing this kind of stuff. And that's pretty much it. I do all my editing on the iPad with LumaFusion. It's great. It's real quick, simple to use, and I can sit on the couch. I can still talk to the family, and you know, I'm not stuck in front of the computer doing all that. And it's a real easy way to go. But to get all the batteries charged up, get everything ready, and ready to load out for tomorrow morning. Next week's a busy week. We got 3 cars Monday. We got to go look at a job for the school, doing wall graphics in the hallway for the school over the summer, trying to get that started, see what they need. We've got 5 vans on Tuesdays, our fleet vehicles. So we do 5 vans Tuesday morning, and we got 2 vehicles after that, so about 7 vehicles that day. Wednesday we got 3 vehicles, and then Thursday, Friday we're planning on being at the boat, working on the rat. We just landed another houseboat job, so we got 4 houseboats to do. We're working on one now. We got 3 more to do, and that's pretty much what we do on the weekends. We try to spend time with your family, guys. I know you're trying to make that money and hustle, but you can't get back the time you lose working and not spending it with your family. Family time's important. I got 2 girls in college. Well, 1 girl in college, 1 girl going to summer college thing. My oldest boy, Aaron, you know Aaron, he's married and got a kid, so he spends time with his family. And then my youngest boy's 17, fixing to be 18, his senior year. So don't pass that stuff up, guys. Enjoy your life, work hard through the week, hustle every day, always be thinking about what's next, learn something new, and go out and put it to use. This is Jared, Next Gen Graphics. See you.